Nicole at Tony's Fresh Market in Berwyn, and I have Alejandro with me today. How you doing?
Good morning, Nicole. Thank you for having me.
Thank you. Yeah, and thank you for joining us right after Thanksgiving.
Yes, happy belated Thanksgiving.
Thanks, guys. We are about to get into some amazing recipes here from El Ranchero and La Guadalupana. But before we do so, don't forget to like, comment, and share this video for your chance to win a $50 Tony's Fresh Market gift card. We'll pick that winner on Friday, so be sure to get your likes, comments, and shares in before that to win that $50 Tony's Fresh Market gift card. All right, Alejandro, tell me about what we have here today. I know I'm kind of full from Thanksgiving.
Yes.
But I'm also really looking forward to Christmas and all the food I'm going to get then too. So what do we have here?
What we got here today is, first off, we also have football season still going on.
Yes, that's right.
So a lot of exciting football games this past weekend, and going forward into December and January. Make sure you pick up your perfect dip chip at all Tony's stores.
Yes.
With your favorite salsa and guacamole in the deli department.
Love it. I love it. Yeah, we got a really good tip here. Now, is this one the restaurant style or is this?
That's the salted, but the orange is the restaurant style. The purple is the chipotle.
Awesome. Okay, there we go. And now we also have some tostadas as well. I think you're using the wavy one here.
Yes, we have a wavy tostada ranchera. Just wanted to make sure, we show different recipes. I just want to remind our viewers that if you can make it in a taco, you can put it on the tostada. Whether
I love that.
Whether it's chicken tinga, beef picadillo, ceviche, shrimp cocktail, or
my favorite, eggs in the morning for breakfast.
There you go.
There we go.
So yeah, just the tostada is pretty much any time of year, and yeah. Again,
any meal.
Yes, yes.
Easy.
Yes.
Well, I think we have somebody here who is actually getting some chips and tostadas.
Yes.
Hi, how are you?
Pretty good, you?
And your name is?
Jose.
Hi, Jose. I'm Nicole. Nice to meet you. Nice. What are you getting here?
So I'm getting some tostadas for my nachos.
Oh, yeah? Okay.
Weekend, and some tostadas for the pozole and
ooh.
for the tinga.
Oh, you're doing it with tinga?
Yes.
Oh, nice.
My favorite, authentic.
Oh, love it. I love it. Well, thank you. And thanks for getting those. They look, I kind of want to try it. You might have to come over and bring some.
These are my favorite. These are all my favorite.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much.
Thank you.
All right. See you later.
Bye.
Bye. Awesome. Well, yeah, so we've got some chips, so tostadas. We've got recipes on the 20 Fresh Market website, 20freshmarket.com. But we also have tamales because it is absolutely tamale season, correct?
Yes. So we got tamales. So those who want a quick snack, we got the tamales in the microwavable bag at all Tony's stores in the frozen department. But actually, I wanted to point out, Jose mentioned pozole. We also have our pozole. It's coming up to pozole season. So we got the pozole in the Tony store. So make sure you pick up your pozole.
Very nice.
To make your own homemade pozole. And then we also have the masa for tortilla. And then I wanted to talk for those who still have leftover turkey. We want to make sure we don't have it go to waste. You can mix it with your favorite mole and put it in the masa and make a tamale with it, so it doesn't go to waste.
I like that. Now, can you also do like some salsa verde with that too?
Yes, you could.
I like some turkey, salsa verde, masa. There you go. You got your Thanksgiving leftovers redone.
Yes. So a different way, different recipe, but yeah, so that nothing goes to waste.
I like it. Now we're going to move over here real quick because obviously we've got tamale season happening here. We've got all of your masa here, all the different flavors, right? So
yes.
We've got the piña.
Salt.
Salt.
Sorry.
Yeah, no, you're good.
The pineapple, the strawberry, and we also have chili, which we featured at the last video with the.
Love that one.
Yes.
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 And then we have your pozole and then the masa for tortillas as well.
Yes.
Very nice. Yeah, and you can get everything you're looking for tamales, for your masa, for the wraps, everything here at 20 Fresh Market. You can find it all here and have an extraordinary tamale season from Tony's.
Yes.
And El Ranchero and La Guadalupana.
Yes.
Perfect. All right, guys. Well, don't forget to like, comment, and share this video for your chance to win a $50 Tony's Fresh Market gift card. We'll pick that winner on Friday, so be sure to get your likes, comments, and shares in before then, because you don't want to miss out on this chance to win a $50 Tony's Fresh Market gift card for the holiday season. We all have lots of shopping and food prep to do, so you can get a lot of tamales out of that,
yes.
for sure.
Yes.
All right, Alejandro, thanks so much for joining us today.
Thank you again, Nicole, for having me.
Thanks. All right, bye, guys.